How to verify phone number on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Discord. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on You located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Account, which is the second option. Below Get Nitro and Content Social. In here, click on Phone. After you click on Phone, you will need to add your country's code and phone number. Press on Next. OTP code will be sent to your phone number. Simply paste it in Discord and your number will be verified. This is how to verify phone number on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.